Look after it well, oh. Don't let it fall. Oh.
Amy. Fall looking.
That's beautiful.
It was nice.
Nice.
What it best in apple new. Yeah, you got to ni. Alaja. Apple gidi. Where did you collect it yesterday? Yeah? You have to show it internet, you see. Bring it, let me put internet on it.
That's good. Mobile post.
It's igbago. Show me it. How many days? Can you like from second class? Second class for me £4 something.
£4.20.
Yeah, she have £7 in first class. This £6 something.
£6 something.
Yeah. Me my park here see. 1 minute. I just for me line in 1 minute. Good morning, everybody. How was your night, guys? Yeah. First. And for an internet. How was your night, guys? How was yesterday? Good morning. Ibo ni ma ti fi internet is kini ba. Take it off, come and show me. Ita mi ti kó bá mi ṣe ita mi padà. Oh yeah. Show me. Okay. Oh yeah, see. I'm going to connect it automatic. So you don't need to take it off anymore. Anytime you want to use the internet, it will be there. So, Mama. So we can go back. Say good morning.
Good morning.
No, Dada. Say good morning.
Good morning.
My baby girl. Yeah. I'll see you. Can you do this thing for me to on? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, push it again. It's not on. Change it to that side. I want it to be changed to let me take your charger off. For me, okay, what do I put in? For me, no. Yeah, put your charger on. Daddy, wa. For me, 1 minute, my Thompson. This is my daughter iPad from school. But what you are casing for? So school is gonna start. We're gonna leave there soon so that we can go to school. Can you put it there, please? So my chérie lower. With the water that is on you. Teacher mommy sọ fún mi pé ó sì lè máa ṣe lesson ó ní school yẹn máa ti pọ̀jù fún. Ó máa ti pọ̀jù fún ọmọ mi. Ogun mò ń gbé káàkiri yẹn. Ogun mò ń dúró. Sorry, sure. Wọ́n lè bá mi gbé lọ fún customer. Good morning. Me play music fún yín. Ẹ má bínú. Need to play music for my people. Good morning. How was your guys? How you guys doing? Kilo pumping. Yes, guys. Oh my God. Mom pump better than sure, woman. Any to beg bit one, You can have your good delivered to you straight away. You can have your good delivered to you straight away. Hello, ẹ̀yin tèmi tó gbá sí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi. Hey, ayé mi. Ẹ bá mi yọ mi kúrò nínú ògì yẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Gba má ṣe fomi sínú ògì yẹn. Ṣe fomi sínú ẹ̀. Ògì tó ń gbé nínú freezer yẹn. Okay. I don't want my dog here. Jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mo ní láti ṣe kíákíá. Ẹ̀wọ̀ lóyin 10 kg. Mo ní ìdí ẹ̀wọ̀. Nǹkan kan bá wọn sílẹ̀ ni. Afẹ́ epo. Bọ́ọ̀kì.
Hola. Abrota con ìlú lọ́nà yóò ṣe. Àríọ̀lá. Abrota con London. Ó ṣe.
Noodle box méjì. Àti dúdú oṣù. Bíbá ìfún bákan kan. Kí n sọ gbé kàlà méjì. Daniel. Hello, good morning. Yeah, it's fine. Just come. Don't worry. Ẹ jẹ́ má bínú ọlá Jesus iṣẹ́ kan ní I need. Daddy, àwọn nǹkan wọn lélẹ̀ ṣé kí n rà pẹ̀? A kò sínú pẹ̀yọ̀kọ̀. Okay, no, ó sì kù ẹ̀wà 10 kg mú wá lọ gbé níbẹ̀ yẹn. Àti ọlá àti ó wà nínú ibẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ máa rí ẹ̀wà after gàrí ẹ̀wà ní next. Àti àwọn panla tí mo kó síbẹ̀ náà. Méjì sáré ṣe léèní. Níbo ni àwọn bọ́ìsì yìí wà léèní báyìí? Grandma, baby yẹn ti ń bọ̀. Kọ́sítọ́mà yìí tó fẹ́ dá wàhálà sílẹ̀ rẹ̀. Ẹ kó ọjà yín wá kí n máa tà kí n tà fún un. Màá ní kó lọ bá yín. Màá ní mi ò ní. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ jábọ̀ níbo. Oníkadé, ṣé o gbọ́ bí mo ṣe wí? Oníkadé, ṣé o wà bẹ́ẹ̀? Tí ì má sọ pé ilé sílé, ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀. Ilé sílé, ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀. Face to face, into in. Into in. Please finish your own work before 2 o'clock. Daddy mi tó gbá kí 10 kg. Mo ń bọ̀, mo máa wí ẹ̀ sí. Ọlá níwọ̀n mi. Àwọn neighbor. Daddy Uju, ẹ bá mi fún wọn lépè ẹni tó bá wá sí nínú ẹ ṣépè fún Tòkunbọ̀. Àwọn bàbá yẹn. Ilé sílé iPhone 7. Into in.
Yéèbù. Yéèlà kò sí ẹ o.
Kò sófo. Kò sófo.
Olúwa tó sì. Ara lé mi ni. Àjọ pé ni. Aláwọ̀ máa ní bá. Olúwa tó sì. Kò ṣe mọ́ dúpẹ́.
Àwọn babaláwo méje ló máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dè fún Tòkunbọ̀.
Yéèbù mi ni.
Ti sanwó fún wọn. Káfẹ́ ẹ̀ tó tí ì kọ̀ọ̀kan lójú jì.
Èmi ni lálọ́ọ̀dù. Lórí mi mọ kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀.
Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ èjè, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó wà nínú ewé pátápátá, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tá bí pátápátá, àtàwọn tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jọ́ ìlú, gbogbo wọn báyìí lè máa rí wọn pátápátá nínú ọ̀gbẹ́. Àti ìrìnkà.
Bàṣọ́gì, wọ́n kọ́ńtínẹ́ńtà, ilé tí face to face,
Ìtòyí.
one on one. House to house. Gbogbo kékinge. Alade.
Dádì wa. Ẹ jọ kí ní tẹ̀ ló yẹ dà. Ẹyọ kan lè máa gbé tèmi wá sí. Mo ti gbé oko ẹ̀wà àti ọlá ọlá dúdú oṣù. Dádì wa tó gbá sí ṣẹlẹ̀tẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀tẹ̀. Ọlọ́run bá yí. Yé máa ti wọ́n jù DHL ẹ̀ bá máa yẹ.
DHL ló gbá lọ́rùn.
Kí ló dé ẹ máa lọ sí head office tó máa sí yìí? Ìyẹn máa ń pẹ́ 5 days.
Ní ọ̀fẹ́.
Nífẹ̀ẹ́ lè rà nírà. Ọbẹ̀ mi. Má ṣe ẹ̀wà ń sìn mọ́ o.
Oya bọ́lá ẹlẹ́jà, ó ní sẹ́ksì mama. Bọ́lá ẹlẹ́jà, sẹ́ksì mama.
Mo ní blue line lọ́wọ́ àkọsí ẹ̀ ní ìdìbò rẹ̀. Níbo ló wà? Ó kù ẹ̀rọ 10 kg àti gbọmọ ẹjọ bá mi gbé sórí kìíní ẹtọ kìíní yẹn. Lọ ibẹ̀ yẹn ibi tí gbọmọ wà gbọmọ mọ̀ sọ. Gbọmọ ẹ̀tọ́ yẹ ẹni tó gbọ́wọ́ sí yìí. Tó bá ti tọ̀ ìdúró ẹ bá mi fẹ́ lè mí lóyún. Bàbá mi jẹ́ kókó sàn.
Bóyá bó ṣe ń jó, ó lè jíjà sílẹ̀ nílé jó. Bó ṣe ń jó, ó lè jíjà sílẹ̀ nílé jó. Ojú olóró ni wà lọ́jọ́. Olómi, dáńsì náà, kájọ jó. Súlẹ̀ àlàó mi bá dìbà.
Ẹ gbàdádì.
Ìjọ lómi kẹ́ máa wọlé.
Post office wọn kì í sì zẹ̀. Ọmọ pé post office EMS ọmọ kan máa ń sì. No EMS máa ń sì sí gan. Ẹ bá mo gbogbo gbogbo tó ti dá mi já. Wọ́n máa ń sì sí kan. Ọjà tí mo gbé fún wọn ní ẹ̀wà 10 kg náà.
Wọ́lá ẹlẹ́jà, ọmọ ẹlẹ́nu lè tó yìí. Ojú ọjà ẹni bá ló bẹ̀. Ọmọ mi ò sí lọ. Ṣé dẹ́sí lọ́jà o?
A ní bá ń gbé panla ìkéjì.
Ọbẹ̀ sí yàrá ni.
Mo ṣe panla láti tó kú
Ṣé
mélòó.
kọ́ sí yàrá ni?
Grandma mi tó gbá sí. Ìjọba ìjọba sọ pé mi ò ní. Ìjọba fẹ́. Ó ní ẹbí mi sílẹ̀. Mi ní màá fún yín lọ. Wọ́n ní pé kí wọ́n tú ibẹ̀ yẹn yín lè sọ bí màá ṣe lọ síbẹ̀. Ilé lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn.
Ọmọ àdòdòdò. Ọmọ àkọ́kọ́dé. Ọmọ lára ló mọ̀ dé.
Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe fún mi láwọn.
Ọmọ sí mi.
Nígbà tí mo fẹ́ ṣà láti gbé àwọn kírìmù yẹn jáde lánàá. Ó jà sí mi lára. Nígbà wo pé láyé mi ní débẹ̀. Ẹ kọ́ sọ́mọ̀ bá wà màá ní kò sí. Ní ilé káwa mi. Wọ́n máa sọ fún mi pé kírìmù yẹn wà bẹ́ẹ̀ máa jí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kó bọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ báyìí. Wọ́n ti dé ní UK gan. Àwọn mo fún yín ní pàlámù. Ṣó ti lé ní? Ẹ bá wa wo eléyìí bóyá kó 15. How are you? My friend. How you doing? Lọ́ṣọ̀ mi dà. Ẹ bá mi gbé jáde. How are you doing? Yeah, I'll give it to you. How many? 4. Ẹ bá mi fún. Ẹ gbé fún mi kí n parí gbé fún mi.
Mọ̀ dẹ́ máa wí. Yẹ́ sọ pé face to face.
Ọlá ìlélẹ̀. Àti àwọn nǹkan tí mo fún wọn náà.
Láti wú kò lè yé wọn. Bàbá tó fádà kò lè yé wọn.
Má fún yín láti ọ̀sán.
Ọmọ mo máa wọ́n nébọ̀
Bọ̀ mi, mo mọ àwọn lébọ̀ mi. Okay, sir. Ẹ bá mi fi wọn ọmọ yẹn déètì ẹ̀. Have you seen the expiring date? 2022. Let me see your everywhere to come. Ma, kí ló fẹ́? Yabi Janice, you want? Share. 8 pounds. If you are buying also, it's more. You have to buy 1 dozen. That is also. Yabi Janice, what? See, that one is one. Quite expensive. Yeah. 8 pounds. Now my mama you deal with now, she will sell it for you because it's my mom. You are buying from her, not from me. Give her money. Really? Yeah, it is her you are buying from, not me. Yes, I can't do that to her. Yeah. You're welcome. I can't do that to her. Yes, I have it. Carrot gold. No, pure carrot gold. Hello? How many dozen? If you want dozen. So you can't buy one. If you buy, I'll sell it for the price of should I go and bring them? Yeah. Grandma, if I'm getting which one is shower gel? You need to send me the picture. I don't think so. Send me the picture. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré fún yín address. Daddy ẹ wá wò. Ẹ wá gba address.
Wúlé wá ti sẹ́yìn yọ̀dí tún mọ̀ wá gbọ́. Ilé ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ìdòdó wa. Tàbí ọ̀dí ìjáwọ̀ sí ilé ìyàwó mi wá. Àbámi nílé, ilé mi àbámi nílé. Àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ kan wá. Ẹsẹ̀ kan tí wá, àkàkọ́ tó wá lọ́dọ̀.
Mama, give me my bag. I can't hear you. You want the bottle? You want the bottle? You want my own? Give it to me. Daddy me, thank you so much. God bless you. Sexy baby, sexy baby, sexy baby, sexy baby, sexy baby, sexy I have a perfect wife, and I have BB Claire. The face cream. I told you I have it, but the price you want to buy it, I don't sell it. Because the fine date is long. I have loads. If I carry you go there. Mama, can you check for this one for me? I want, because I can't open this one.
No worry, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
2024.
Okay, it's the right one. Okay, it's the right one.
Once I need that money, I have this one as well. CB Claire. It's 20 pounds.
How much is it? Baby Claire.
How much you want to buy it? How much do you normally buy it? Okay, no, when you're ready. I don't have it. The first thing
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you, Mama. Mama, Nature's Secret have no face cream. You know that? Nature's Secret have the face cream. I don't worry, I have the
See, what they don't buy because we buy in box. So you cannot expect me because of you.
Just to buy that
Just
one.
to buy it. Do you understand that?
That makes sense.
Yeah, because it's going to expire. Because and the journey has to
All right, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm a lazy. Only one what if you the one be money come up for be. A woman babo cherry. Hey, tell me. Profession cocoon. Profession for customer. Yeah.
Àlùjọ mẹ́ta kì í lẹ̀ sọ.
Àlùjọ mẹ́ta mo fẹ́ yí bàbá lóko, ọba lágbádá iná. Kò sóni tó lè pa, ọba tó ga ga ga. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè ní tiẹ̀, yí bàbá yí bàbá.
Hello, ma. Oh, I didn't know that you are the one. All right then. I need to store your food. I need to store your name.
Oníkó lálùjọ mẹ́ta dé. Mẹ́ta tó ṣáná. The word of God is sharper. The word of God is proper. Oh sharper, oh proper, oh sharp proper.
Good morning, everybody. How was your night, guys? Our rate today is 657. At 4 o'clock, it's gonna go back to 654 at 4 p.m. If you are interested, if you want to do your rates, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm going to send you the link. It's better for you to have the link than calling me. Do you understand? If you have any problem with the link, that is when you need me. Because at the moment, so many people now, they have almost $100 for you. Any problem, sir? Sheko anything. So all you need to do is to contact me. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ rí nǹkan tí mo kọ síbẹ̀ yẹn bí kíní mi. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Tí ẹ mọ date birthday Tòkunbọ̀. Ṣé ti rí ní platform yìí? Yes. Àwọn aláwo ni tí mo dẹ̀ ti contact wọn. Ẹ ṣé mo pé mi ò ṣọmọ Yorùbá. Ṣé kò yé yín sìn? Tó máa gbas lórí Facebook. Hello, I am not under anybody. Do you understand? I am not under any kankan. What's that Guinness? Wọ́n ṣàjẹ́ kíkí ní ìjà ọgbọ́. Ilé yóò dẹ̀ nílé ìdúró sí rẹ̀. Níbo ló wà? Pé mọ́tà Guinness yẹn wà. Alágolo. A ti débi tipẹ́tipẹ́ náà. Àdẹ̀ nílé mi jáde wá. Wo, ọmọ kan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀, ṣáà calm down. Ṣó ti yẹ? Ẹ̀wù yìí máa dànù, iná yẹn dẹ̀ máa dànù. Eléyìí ti ní di charging. What you need to charge you one thing. I'm gonna charge you later. Charge you can charge. So phone you go. Give me time. What's the time? 12 what?
12:16.
Yeah. One is 1330. Let me know. So that we go. Who is the center? Oh, Jesus is the center. Eba mi lulu alujo. Lulu alujo. Lulu alujo mẹ́ta. Ṣé ti rí kíní tí mo gbé sí orí page mi yẹn? Ṣé kò yé yín? Kíní máa jábọ́ náà. Jẹ́ ká charge. Ṣé ti rí kíní tí mo gbé sí orí page mi yẹn? Tí mo sọ fún yín pé wọ́n ti gbé Tòkunbọ̀ lọ sí court. It is confirmed. Tóun náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nínú oṣù yìí òun lọ sí court. Secondly, tá bá ti wọnú month of March, ìjọ birthday gangan. Mo máa lọ search fún birthday gangan. 1 week. Hello? Ó máa gbóná tó máa gbé ẹbọ tí gúnugún tó ń kakún láyà tó máa gbé fún ìyá ẹ̀. Confirm. Máa sọ fún ẹ nǹkan tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí social media yìí látòrí tèmi ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Tòkunbọ̀ ìwọ àtàwọn ọmọ ẹni o. Ọdún yìí ni oníṣàláì má kú láyé. Ọdún yìí ni fún ẹ. Confirm ni. Ṣé ti yẹ Tòkunbọ̀? Ṣé ti rí èmi bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà yìí? Kò sẹ́ni tó lè kọ́ sí èmi. Hello? Kò hàn lè kọ́ sí èmi. Torí èmi aborí dèpè nù. Hello? Àní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ speaker lórí social media. Àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ sá lọ, tẹ́ sá sábẹ́ wọn. Tẹ́ bá wọn ṣe bí. Ẹ kéré, ẹ bíntín, ẹ bìlò. Gbogbo yín pátápátá. Ní gbogbo yín. Gbogbo yín pátápátá. Gbogbo yín pátápátá. Tó nǹkan. Oh, daddy. Hello, daddy. Yeah, okay. Mo wà okay. Daddy mi tó gbá ski. Yeah, okay. How you doing? I'm looking fresh. Yeah, and you? I'm fine. Why are you closing your eyes? What are you seeing? Ṣé wà okay, sir? Yeah. And èmi mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ proud mi, ó dà pé orí yín wú fún mi. Yeah. 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 Okay. Wow, that was really nice. Let me call you back. That would be so nice. Wow. No, it's a lot because of this thing. Wow. Wow. That was really nice. At all. Baba kan ni mo ta pallet one onions fún 120 bucks. 120 bucks, £7.50. £7 ẹ mo gbé fún. Mo gbé fún ní £7. Mo ṣì ní onions, mo ṣì ní púpọ̀ gan. Mo lè ka because me àwọn boys ò bá mi gbogbo wọn busy gan sin. Mo ṣì ní bí pallet mẹ́ta. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo máa ń stock ẹ̀. Yeah. Mo máa ń stock gan. So ó ti wọ́n gan àbí? £7 ẹ mo ta fún láàárọ̀ yìí. Láàárọ̀ ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá gbé. Kí má ṣe ní £7 mọ́. Minimums, okay. No sales. No sales. So can the matter pallets? The matter pallets. It's very hard. No, yeah. All right. That's me. Oh, okay. Not yet. I need to think about it. Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, oh God, Jamila. This one is moving fast. This one is moving fast. I think the sweet one is the one that is moving fast. But they need the more space. Maybe inside the by the maybe I will just push it like this because I still need space. Láti kó gàrí sí. Mo bí gàrí sí wọ́n gan. Because I can see a lot of people don't wash gàrí mi. Kí ni reason why? Abálájọ tó ṣàròṣì gàrí mi ṣá wò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. I have a lot. Yeah. I have this as well. Yeah. I have very mẹ́ta. Okun gan lo. Come to this face. That's it. Thank you so much, Daddy. Is your passion. You really inspire me. Yeah. Which is good. You make me push it. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, but the trouble is summer's coming.
Yeah.
I'll need it at weekends.
So need brown box noodles, no more, ni onions. Oh my God. Container kan ló kún fún chicken. Mo ní chicken. container kan nínú container kan bá chicken ló kún bẹ̀ chicken noodles ló kún nínú container kan kò sí ọ̀nà ọ̀sẹ̀ kan bẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Hello? Yeah. Fine. Okay, sir. Ẹ ṣé gan, sir. All right. I love you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye. Hello, mommy. Ṣé wà okay? Ṣé wà pa? A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ọmọ yín wà mọ́. Okay, ma. Owó gbígbé. Okay, my check. All right, sir. All right, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. All right, ma. Mo ti rí yín ẹ ti ṣe hi. All right, ma. Bye, ma. And you too. Bye. So, ẹ̀yin tèmi, I'm so sorry for speaking too long on the phone. Friends, I show where calm down. All you need to do is to continue to pay your money. Just keep sending the money to the account. That is my daddy. My daddy called me to tell me nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nínú field yìí you need somebody to bá ti rush here. You will tell somebody pé kí ló dé tó ti yẹ yín sí wọ́n máa ń rush mi gan nísìn fún gàrí so mo máa ń wò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ so I need to ask people that at tó jù mí lọ láti mọ̀ tó wà nínú field tèmi náà ṣe so tí mo ṣe rí tẹ́ni yẹn ẹni yóò kó gàrí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn minimum tí ẹni yẹn máa ń kó tó bá wá gàrí lọ́wọ́ mi ní 20 bucks so bó ṣe kó láàárọ̀ yẹn mo kọ̀ wí pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nígboro ẹja wá sí o ṣé kò yẹ yín sí bí ìwé ẹni tí mo ta noodles fún ní ẹni tó ra 120 noodles of Indomie wọ́n rò pa kí ló dé ẹni yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó bá sọ pé iye báyìí ní noodles ó máa ṣì complain ṣó ti yẹ yín kò dé complain that's me to say nǹkan kan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa ń rajà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó wí pé àwọn tó máa ń rajà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń complain but they did not complain fún nǹkan tó gbé fún wọn that means to say something is going on that you are not understanding it that is the reason why you have to súnmọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé ìjọ máa ń ṣe irú ọjà yìí there is no competition tó ti yẹ yín sìn wá súnmọ́ wọn wá bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ because ìwọ náà táàmì tí wọ́n ń gain ìwọ náà fẹ́ bá wọn gain so gàrí tí wọ́n ní ó dé tí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ because gàrí tí wọ́n that is the reason why ìwọ tó ta gàrí ẹ̀ lẹ́sà ó ṣe òsì gàrí bí wẹ́ẹ̀lì tó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ó ṣe òsì gàrí tí wọ́n is 27 pounds ó ṣe òsì gàrí tí tèmi is 20 pounds look at that look at the huge difference ṣó ti yé yín so mo rí a lot of referral gan nísìn lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí a lot of referral gan sínú business mi a load of referral that wọ́n ní pé o ní nǹkan báyìí wọ́n ní pé do you have something like this money yes can you distribute to us money yes money we can do that we have a lot of referral tó yẹ pé time yìí once a week ni máa ń lọ fún kilo week my loan distribute I go every day because of a lot of referral tani and glory be to God we are moving fast we thank God so ẹ jẹ́ n pa yẹn tì ṣé kò yé yín ẹ jẹ́ n pa yẹn tì fún yín all let me share me international congratulations ṣé kò yé yín gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ti ń ba àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ lọ́kàn jẹ́ èmi sì sọ fún yín lórí social media ni mo wá bá yín wò palẹ̀ ni ṣé ti rí Tòkunbọ̀ ìyẹn tó ń pè ní ẹ̀sà wèrè month of your birth ìjọ òbí tí wọ́n bí ẹ sáyé àwọn aláwo ló máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe yes wọ́n máa parí iṣẹ́ wọ́n máa parí ẹ̀ sínú odò ṣé kò yé yẹ wàá wò wàá gbà ayérayé títí láíláí mo sọ fún ẹ pé mi ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe títí láíláí ayérayé títí láíláí nǹkan tí màá ṣe fún ẹ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé tó bá wò mí lọ́kàn ò ní lè súnmọ́ mi ní nǹkan tí máa ohun má lè gbàgbé ni máa ṣe fún gbogbo ọmọ tó jáde nínú àfi tí ò bá kí ń ṣe èmi ẹ̀hún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ wọ́n ní kẹtúyáyá ẹtúyáyá o ẹtúyáyá kẹtúyáyá kò sí nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ fèmí ṣe èmi bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà yìí mo ti sọ fún yín àti yìí tó dákẹ́ nínú yín tó ṣe bí pé òun dákẹ́ tí ò dẹ̀ dákẹ́ ṣé kò yẹ yín gbogbo yín pátápátá ni máa gbé yín sáré nínú spiritual realm ṣé ti yẹ yín máa fi yín jófin lórí social media yìí máa fi yín jófin èmi ò lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mọ́ èmi ò sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì o tó bá ti dọ̀la máa gbé kòkò mi wá síbí ìbà ẹ rí kòkò mi live kò tí ẹ mi nídìí láti máa gbé káàkiri máa ṣe live chat ẹ rí kòkò mi ṣé ti yẹ yín ẹ kéré ẹ bíntí ẹ bìlò mo sọ fún yín mo rìn gan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé náà nẹ ẹ fẹ́ la pé ìka tó bá ṣẹ̀ mí mo máa gé dànù ni mo máa gé dànù confirm ó ti yẹ yín sìn mo máa gé dànù so eré tí ẹ rò bóyá mo bá yín ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kò sí ìyẹn mọ́ o ṣe mọ̀ pé tí èèyàn bá wà lọ́ndé èèyàn ẹ máa kígbe ọ̀ndé ẹnìkan ló wá o kiri kan o bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe ń dúró títí ẹ̀ ní one international MHM international one tí ò sẹ́ni kanẹ̀ tó lè tójú bọ̀ èmi dúró fún àwọn tó kò sẹ́ni tó lè gbójú wo mi confam ni mo sọ fún ìyá yín tó ti yẹ yín ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ tí rí nǹkan kan o à ń bọ̀ ni àti ìdè ẹ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀la ẹni tí ìwọ tó lọ́kàn lé tó bá dá sí ọkọ̀ á lọ confam tó lọ́kàn lé tó bá dá sí ọkọ̀ á lọ èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ àfi kó ló máa lo fake profile ni o ṣe mo bá sọ pé o máa lo fake profile ni kó máa lọ lo torí èmi ò rán gúnugún yín níṣẹ́ mi ò rán gúnugún yín iṣẹ́ gbogbo yín pátápátá ni mo sọ mi ò rán gúnugún yín iṣẹ́ ṣó ti yẹn ìlú yìí gan ò ní lè gbà yín kalẹ̀ ìlú yìí kò ní lè gbà yín kalẹ̀ kí ni mo sọ ìlú yìí kò ní gbà yín kalẹ̀ oh Jesus Jésù tá ń ké pè kò ní mọ̀ yín rí by the time tí bá ṣe tán pẹ̀lú Jésù tá ń pè ẹ gbádùn orin fún ìgbésí ayé yín wàá fẹ́ la máa sọ fún yín pé kékeré lábẹ́rẹ́ ń kéré kò fi ṣe mí nìkan bí ìwọ lọkọ ẹ ní ṣáta ìwọ lọkọ ẹ ní ṣáta kò ṣáta kò sọpà kò ṣàpàpà the center of Jesus is the center. Afẹ́la ẹ lè lo àlùjọ yéé ẹ lè lo àlùjọ pípa. Let me tell you one thing. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní ìmọ̀ràn láàárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má worry nínú ẹni tó ń tẹ rẹ́dẹ̀ dìyẹn ìbànújẹ́ ni. Tókunbọ̀ ni ìyá ẹ̀ lè lè master. This is your boss. MHM the real boss. Hello? MHM the real boss. Ó di dandan kó wá sórí platform tèmi kó wá tẹ rẹ́dẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi á kó ẹ lọ́gbọ́n. Èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí mi bá kún ẹ lọ́gbọ́n kó sọ pé Táíwò kọ́ ni ìyá tó bí mi èmi máa kọ́ ẹ lọ́gbọ́n kọ́nfàmá èmi máa kọ́ ẹ lọ́gbọ́n èmi mo mọ bí tó máa ti ń kọ́ ọmọ aláìgbọ̀n lọ́gbọ́n wàá rí i pé ayé ti kẹ̀yìn sí ẹ níjọba díẹ̀ àwọn abiyamọ ayé wọn abẹ kẹ èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ níjọba díẹ̀ ọ plan tí mo ní fún ìyá ọ̀dà ìjọba díẹ̀ Tókunbọ̀ ò ní jẹ́ ariwo orò ló ń ké tẹ́lẹ̀ pé máa ń kọrin Ton kọrin orò láwọn ọmọ ẹ. Èèyàn máa gbẹ́bọ fún ẹ fún odindi ọjọ́ méje. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó bí pátápátá táwọn ọmọ ẹ. Odindi ọjọ́ méje ló máa fi gbé. Ó tí rí nǹkan kan. Eléyìí mi ò sin Jésù mọ́ o. Eléyìí ò sọ̀rọ̀ Jésù. Ó máa fayé lẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ mi. Tọmọtọmọ tẹ́ máa pòórá. Èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Àwọn tẹ́dó ló máa ṣe o. Kò ń ṣe Yorùbá o. Àwọn tí inú ẹ dó gangan. Wàá fẹ́ la. Ó dìgbà yẹn ni. Wo? Mo sọ fún ẹ. Jẹ́ mo sọ fún ẹ. Ó kéré gan. Ṣé ti yẹn sì? Mo fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kan fún ẹ̀yin tó wà lórí social media yìí. Tẹ́ bá ti rí èèyàn torí a máa gbé ẹjọ́ kan wá sórí Facebook. Ṣé ti yẹn? Ẹ máa rí èèyàn lórí Facebook tó máa sọ fún yín pé òun ń tajà. Ẹ wá invest sínú ọjà òun. Ẹ máa kó owó iyebíye. Ẹ máa kó owó iyebíye. Ẹ máa kó owó iyebíye fún ẹniyẹn. At the end of the day, wọ́n scam yín ni. Ṣé wo bí wọ́n lówó ni? Wọ́n lówó. Wọ́n lówó. Èèyàn tó ní owó kò lè ṣíwú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Kí wá ṣíwú storage báyìí. Kí ní storage káàkiri. Kí wá sọ fún yín pé ẹ wá invest. Invest lórí kíni? Invest lórí game mi àbí what? Tó bá ní owó wọn invest sínú business. You will do your business by yourself. That's mean pé wọ́n lówó ni. Wọ́n máa wá gbà yín. À ń gbé show yẹn bọ̀ but kò tí ìyá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ ṣe ní òrò dílé náà. Mo kàn sọ fún ẹ̀yin tó kù ni tí wọ́n ti gbà. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló máa jáde torí mo ti rí a lot. After ilé tí mo rí, mo ti rí àwọn èèyàn tó dìde. Lórí the same person. Lórí the same person. Ẹ máa rí wọn lórí social media. Ṣé mo pé ó ń dùn fún wọn ni? Kò dùn fún wọn. It is just a camouflage. They are using you to just your money. They are frauding you. You don't allow people to fraud your own money. The money that you work for. I think I have to take this thing off. It's full, Abby. It's full. How many minutes? Can I have it?
How many minutes ago?
For the charging.
There's so many children.
Yeah, that's okay now. It doesn't work with that charger. It will work in. Ẹ máa rí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń tajà. Tó máa ní pé àwọn ní business. They don't have a business. It is your money they are using as a business. Imagine èèyàn tó ní business. Imagine èèyàn tó ní business. We cause this thing to you. Okay. We will be working. What is turn on? Imagine èèyàn tó ní business. Tó lóhùn lówó láti lè dá business sílẹ̀. Èèyàn tó ní owó láti lè dá business ẹ̀. Ṣó máa ń pè èèyàn pé mo máa bọ̀ wá invest pé o máa rí iye báyìí. Ẹ máa gbé owó kalẹ̀ àti ojú owó àti èrè wọn ò ní fún yín. Kí la máa pè yẹn? Olè nìyẹn. That is scam. Scam nìyẹn. So we will not be tolerating that. So my better. Omo ìwọ tí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀. Oh my better. We only give you this month to pay the money. If not, we'll bring it on social media. We want the whole world to see that gbogbo ariwo owó tẹ́ ń kígbe lórí social media pé you don't have any money. You are nothing than a pauper. You will see them come on social media, parọ́ fún yín, telling you lies. Guys, this is the time to wise up. Don't let anybody deceive you. Whether by their skin, or by their color, or by their popularity. They are nobody. Don't let them deceive you. Use your money wisely. Don't let anybody take your money telling you, òun nígbà, òun láwo, wọ́n ní nǹkan kan fowó yín ṣe business ni. tó bá ní owó èèyàn kankan ò lè invest sínú ọjà mi kò possible. Mo fi 180,000 pounds mo fi ra pala ìwọ wá ní o fẹ́ invest sínú ẹ̀ ṣé o fẹ́ mú gain mi ni mi understand ìwọ investment yẹn ìwọ investment báwo mi understand ìwọ investment tó ń sọ mi get it ṣé o fẹ́ máa ra pala ṣé ìwọ ló máa lọ wá customer wá ìwọ ló máa wá customer wá fún mi. They are lying to you. Is a joke. Ẹ máa joke ẹ máa gbé kalẹ̀ ni. Èmi ń ta palansi wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n náà fẹ́ kó 60,000 pounds sílẹ̀ pé ká máa jọ fi ta pala. Ṣé ìwọ ló máa lọ ṣe wàhálà láti ta pala yẹn ni? Ìwọ ló máa ṣe wàhálà láti mú customer wá fún mi. So èmi máa ṣe wàhálà máa jí ní 4:30. Máa lọ distribute ọjà. Ìwọ jókòó sínú yàrá ẹ̀ ń wá profit. Omo, don't let them lie to you. It's a common sense that is not common. It's a common sense that is not common. Common sense ni tí ò common. Hey, ìwọ tó ń ṣe Bambi Ala lórí page mi. Don't let me block you. Shoko ye. Go to your Esawere page and do Bambi Ala there. Don't give anybody money on this page. Don't discourage somebody. I will delete your comments. They are here for begging always. It's a common sense that Mimbo. Which account she should send? Mumbo. Me Larry Benny. Mama Vinci. It's a common sense that is not even common. Oh, lele ayé le. Ó máa ń wà níbẹ̀ yẹn o. Mo ti bẹ́ẹ̀ delete comments yẹn. And Titi àbí whoever tó jẹ́, I'm going to block you. You know I blocked you before. Your life is full of begging. When are you going to stop begging? This is what you do throughout 2020. You are still into it. Gbogbo owó tó ti fún ẹ tó ti beg. Hello? Hello ma. Ṣé wà okay?
You go now. I'll see you. Later on.
Kò sépo bẹ́ẹ̀. Báwo ni kò ṣe ní sépo ńbẹ̀? Epo box méjì péré ni. Epo box méjì péré ló máa kù. Kò yé mi. Ẹ wo gbogbo ẹ wo bóyá ó pé 30 kg. No. Ẹ ní sùúrù. Ṣé mọ̀ pé mo pín epo sínú àwọn nǹkan kan. Ó dá epo ẹyọ kan padà gbé nínú ẹyin tí ẹ dànù. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ pè mí later. Mi lè understand nsìn. Tó ti yé yín sìn. Ṣé kò yé yín ni? Wọ́n máa wá sí orí social media. Wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé this is my business. Can you come and invest? Invest in what? How can somebody invest in I'm selling panla, I'm selling catfish. How can I call you to come and invest inside it? If I have the money, will I call you to come and invest inside it? They don't have the money. It's not possible for you to invest and me gave you the gift, the profits. It's not possible. It's not possible for me to give you the profits. It's possible.
Oh yes, plenty. Yeah,
There's got you plenty of room in there.
yeah, plenty. Yeah.
He's come looking for fish.
Oh, who's fish?
But I want the real ones.
Yeah, like,
Oh, catfish.
That's it.
No, it's not this one. He wants fresh one. Daddy, he want the catfish swimming.
He wants the catfish swimming.
Yeah, the real one.
Yeah,
It's
the
a
real
woolish.
catfish,
Yeah, the
yeah.
fresh
Have you
one.
got none?
That is not dead.
No, don't be dead.
Yeah, live one.
Yes.
Is in woolish.
Woolish.
You know the woolish center? as
I know where you mean.
you know
I know
where
exactly
that
you
fish
mean.
shop
Yes, yes.
by the traffic lights
Yes,
there
it's-
before the DLR.
Yes, yes.
They sell the catfish life.
There, now you know where to go for your cat.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
You welcome, Daddy. Ṣé kò yé yín? Wọ́n máa wá sí orí social media. Wọ́n máa portrait image wọn. Ẹ ti mọ̀ wọ́n, you know them. You know the people I'm talking about. Ṣé kò yé yín? Scam ni. Ibu Tokunbo ẹ bá bọ́ tansi. Kó wá ní pé kó wá invest. Hello? Kó wá invest nínú business ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé business wo lòun gangan ṣe fún wa rẹ̀. Business wo ló ń ṣe? Wọ́n scam ẹ̀ ni. That's the way to scam people. And at the end of the day, wọ́n máa láwọn ṣe é lóore ni wọ́n ṣe é lóore kankan. Èèyàn tó bá ṣe é lóore, all your profit will be given to you. All your profits. They will give you your profits and you will see it. You will see your profits. And sorry, will be almost to you. Sorry. Okay, one. They will give you your profits. They will not scam you. They are scamming people now. Telling you guys that is in abroad. We are doing this to you. We have this so that want you guys to support. Don't support nothing. Take your money to go and do something else. When you have your money like that and you don't know what to do with it, use this for something else. Don't let good money. Don't let anybody take advantages of you just because they've been popular. Even some of them, they are the one feeding their own boyfriend. At the end of the day, the guy will leave them. They are the one doing everything just to camouflage that one loco, one they loco. One fi gbogbo owó tẹ́ kó fún wọn yẹn, wọ́n máa fi bọ́ ọkùnrin. Wọ́n máa fi bọ́ ọkùnrin because gbajúmọ̀ ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ó hard. As ẹni tó wà ní tó jẹ́ pé ó wà ní limelight, ó hard fún láti rí ẹni tó máa fẹ́. Ó máa hard. Ta ló fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe association? Ta ló fẹ́ associate pẹ̀lú wọn? So many of these celebrities, can't you see they are just, some of them are husbandless. Some of them. Ìyí tó lọ́kọ nínú ó fi ṣe camouflage ni, aṣẹ́wó ló ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀. Because they can't stay in husband house, wọn ò lè gbélé ọkọ. Ó possible kan gbélé ọkọ. Tá máa rí owó ẹgbẹ́, wọ́n máa lọ máa fi shine. Wọ́n máa parọ́ fún wa lórí social media. Ọkùnrin kan ló gbé fún àwọn, irọ́ ló ń pa. Sọ fún wọn pé kàn gbé receipt jáde. Pé ọkùnrin yẹn ló fún wọn lówó yẹn. Because wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé àwọn ní nǹkan kan nínú ayé wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan. Ìwọ gangan tó ń sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ èmi sì tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀, mo sì bẹ́tà wọn. Because àwọn ò jalè, àwọn ò fraud èèyàn, àwọn ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. Mo bẹ́sà gbogbo wọn. O ò lè pọ ọmọ kankan lẹ́kún. Jayé, 2019, 2020, 2021. We want the money to be paid in full before the end of this year, before the end of this month. We don't want it instrumental anymore. We want the money. I will not mention name, but I will talk. We want the money to be paid in full before the end of this month. If not, all the bloggers might be. If not, our bloggers might be with evidence, with voice notes. With evidence, with proof. Your voice evidence is here. Everything we needed is here. So we're going to bring it on. The end of this month. Oṣe partnership pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ sọ pé fẹ́ ṣe business. The capital supposed to be paid. The capital supposed to be paid. You didn't give them the capital, you didn't give them the interest. So now we are not talking about the interest anymore. We are talking about the capital. We gave you the end of this month. That's when you should pay the money. And there is nothing you can say because we have your voice where you have been begging, where you explain, you accept that you collected the money. So there is no ani. We have every detail, every comment, everything that you have typed. We have it. And nǹkan tá máa ṣe ni pé, you love yourself. You don't want to be ridiculed. You don't want to come to nothing on the social media because it's going to go viral. A lot of people might be. I'm also facing paper punch in Nigeria because we have the money to put it in paper punch in Nigeria. I'm a go. So it's better for you to pay the money at the end of this month. So that because we are ready, but we are holding ourselves. You understand? We are holding ourselves. We just don't see money. We call it money more. So now it's better for you to go and pay the money before we bring it on social media. So before you come to nothing, you come to zero. So before people know who you are, you know, more will be coming. A lot of it will be coming. When they put the name there, baga. A lot of people that you own their money, that you have been lying to, they will come on social media, they will join. Do you understand? But we don't fucking care if it's going to turn to Saka. But we will make sure that you come to nothing. So we give you the deadline for you to pay the huge money. Ika. And so many people. I'm doing investigation now concerning you now under G. So that we can have enough evidence. How you have collected so many people's money. Without you giving them even interest. Come on, wake up. I'm selling this thing now. This thing, I'm selling it. We come one day. Invest. Why do you want to invest in what? In this thing that I'm selling? You want to invest in my own 50-50p gain? It's not possible for me to give you any interest. It's not possible for me to give you your capital. I'm going to use my money to invest. By yourself. You don't invest under somebody. I don't do such money. Tiba ni owo to po. You know Bitcoins. Bitcoins. O ma du owo ti ma nje lórí ẹ ni. Tiba fi £500. Tiba fi ta. O ma ju 1,000 ti ma rí lórí ẹ. O ma ju 1,000 ti mo ma rí pẹ̀lú bí mo ṣe tún kàwé. Èmi á wá lọ gbé owó tèmi. Èmi moi ma wá gbé owó tèmi, ma wá sọ pé ó yá o. Ma gbé lọ fún àwọn Bitcoins. Àwọn Bitcoins. Ma gbé lọ fún wọn. I will see a lot of profits. 500 tí mo gbé síbẹ̀. Ó máa dú 1,000 tí mo fi jẹ padà. £500 tí mo gbé síbẹ̀. Ó máa dú 1,000 tí mo fi jẹ padà. Èmi á lọ invest lọ́dọ̀ àwọn olè, lọ́dọ̀ àwọn scam. Don't scam àwọn èèyàn. Mo ń retí, èmi ti dá informant síta o. I have sent a lot of informants outside just for you. Gbogbo àwọn tó ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe partnership papọ̀. Àwọn tí ò tí fún lówó, they are coming on my platform to say their own type of story. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣe wọ́n. Because ẹnu ló ní. Ó ní agbára kankan. Tó bá gbójú lé ẹni tó sọ pé ó fẹ́. Òfúùfù tẹ́ẹ̀fẹ̀, àṣà tí ò nìkan. Bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tún gbọ́. Just me teach information 5 hours. Bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tún gbọ́. Ẹni tó sọ pé ó fẹ́ yẹn, wọ́n ní ó tún ti fi ẹlẹ̀. Bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tún gbọ́. Voice note ẹni tó fẹ́ gangan, òun náà máa wà ń ta. And you go deeper. Because not to go that side, for us not to go to that extent, we implore you. I be implore you then. Anyhow, to ba ma jẹ́, à ń sọ fún ẹ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, kò sanwó yẹn. End of this month. That is the automaker, àbí automatic, àbí auto date then ni wọ́n máa ń pè. We give you that auto something to pay the money. We are not going to extend it anymore. We cannot wait to the end of March, as you promised. We are not going to wait till the end of March. You need to pay the 2.5 million that you want to pay at the end of March. You have to pay it now. Now, this week or next week, you pay it. Then after the end of this month, you pay the huge. What do you buy, you know? We like to know the person. Emma ti jamblata. Emma worry. I know you like to know, but you can't just calm down. Oh, you take what you know. Kí ló dé? Wọ́n jẹ lówó tẹ́lẹ̀ tì ní. Àwọn ẹbí àwọn tó gbà wọ́n ti jẹ gbèsè nínú àwọn ẹbí ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Kó tó wá máa gbà wọ́n. Ó di ẹ̀yin tèmi kíní ò tiẹ̀ tí lò 130 ẹ̀ tí lò 130 mo mọ́ mi lọ sí school. Mo lọ sí school ní 130 torí ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ school ní 2 o'clock. Ṣé kò yé yín? So ẹ má hesitate or hesitate láti pè wá tó bá fẹ́ anything. A ní ẹja bó, a ní ẹja ṣáwá, a ní ọlá, a ní cream yìí náà a sì ní cream yìí, a sì ní cream yìí. Tá bá rí ìwọ tó fẹ́ rà and the expiring date is long. Tá bá rí ìwọ tó fẹ́ rà cream yìí, a ní cream yìí, a ní oil ẹ̀ náà. Ṣó ti yé yín? A ní perfect white. Ẹ ti rí. A ní white express. A ní perfect white náà. A ní perfect white lotion. A ní BB clear. A ní kí lorúkọ ẹ̀? A ní pure white gold. A ní a lot of cream gan. Ṣó ti yé yín? Àwọn cream tí mo sọ pé mi ò ní mo ní. Nígbà tí customer fẹ́ rà. Tí customer pè mí lórí phone because ní ìjẹta mo fẹ́ lọ mo wọnú ibi tí máa ń kó cream sí. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ti ṣe jágajàga àwọn boys yẹn ò bá mi tó. So kò sí bí mo ṣe lè wọnú, kò sí bí mo ṣe lè rìn. So mo wá force ara mi pé kí n lọ rìn lọ síbẹ̀. Bí cream ṣe jábọ́ lé mi lẹ́sẹ̀ nìyẹn. Mo kúrò ńbẹ̀ ní bínú mo fi kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ìbínú ni mo fi kúrò nínú container yẹn. Tomati bí mo ṣe sọ mo customer pé mi ò ní ṣe kí ló dé. Mi ò ní ẹ jẹ́ bá kọ́ mi nǹkan tẹ́ bá fojú rí ẹ rà nǹkan tẹ́ bá fojú rí mi ò ní. Ẹni yẹn wá láàárọ̀ yìí ó lóun fẹ́ ra cream mo ní cream yẹn lẹ́fẹ́ rà mí mo ní mi ò ní mo bá ṣí bẹ̀ yẹn fún mo bá ṣí kinní fún ó bá ní abálájọ tó fi ń kọ́ra mo ní èyí náà ẹ wò náà ẹ wò báwo mi ṣe lè wọnú bíbà kò sí bí máa ṣe kọjá ó ṣe pé ọkùnrin tán jọ wá nìyẹn bí bọ̀dá yẹn wọ́n sọ pé níbo ló wà mí ní ẹ ṣáà máa wá tẹ bá máa fi wá débi kọ́nà yẹn mi ò ní tẹ̀lé yín o because ibẹ̀ yẹn kò sí ọ̀nà tá lè gbà débẹ̀ tá bá máa fi gbé gbogbo nǹkan kúrò mẹ́ ọ̀dá yẹn ọbẹ̀ ìgbé ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ o may God bless that man that came this morning bọ̀dá yẹn ọbẹ̀ ìsìn ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n bẹ̀ ìsìn máa gbé jáde cream yẹn dẹ̀ pọ̀ kẹ́dẹ̀ máa wo mo ti ní ọjà cream yẹn dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ àti ti wà nínú UK gan cream yẹn dẹ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ àti wá rí oríṣiríṣi cream tí mo ti ń sọ pé kò sí mo máa ń sọ pé ṣe bó mo ní mama báwo lẹ ṣe ẹ ṣe bí ẹ struggle dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ti gbé ni ilé mi mélòó ni mo fẹ́ struggle kò sí bí máa ṣe ṣe táwọn boys ò bá bá mi ṣe kèrè sí boys mo ní àìmọye àwọn èèyàn tí mo sọ pé kò sí fún cream yẹn dẹ̀ máa expire ní 2025 ó di 2025 tó máa tó expire màmá yẹn bá inú ẹ dùn gan ló ó kó púpọ̀ gan ni mo ní kó bá mi kó púpọ̀ kó bá mi gbé àwọn cream yẹn sí tòsí àwọn èyí tí mo bá sọ pé kò sí yẹn because mélòó mo fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀ màmá yẹn sọ pé kí n kọ sílẹ̀ mo ní àìmọye cream tí máa ń kọ sílẹ̀ tó yẹ pé at the end of the day mi ní wọ́n ti pé mo ní mélòó mo fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀ ihun tí mo ní gan mélòó ni mo kọ sílẹ̀ tí èyí tí mo ti tà ok tí bá ta ń kọlọ wà nù sí mélòó mo fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀ mo kàn mọ̀ pé bọ́ọ̀sì báyìí ni mo gbé dé mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo kọ́lọ̀ yẹn so tí mo ṣe ń tà mí ò mọ̀ mélòó tí mo ti tà nínú ẹ̀ ṣe ipò máa hard gan so ó máa hard láti máa sọ pé ó yá o kọlọ wà nù o mélòó ló wà ń bẹ́ o kìnnìkan o wàhálà bàbá stress so kí wọ́n mọ̀ lọ mo ṣàmọ̀ yìí pé ibi tá a wà yìí storage wa ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo òun ni chicken noodles kún ó sì kún sí ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo àti kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ dúdú oṣù mi sìn ó kù bíi 240 240 pieces. Mo ní yẹn sórí. Mo ní yẹn sórí. 90 wà ní ti bíbà. 90 wà níbí. Èyí tó kù wà ní ti bí od side ibẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé kò yé yín sí? So ẹ sọ fún mi. Tí ṣe mo wá máa rántí gbogbo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi lè rántí, mélòó mo fẹ́ rántí, mélòó mo mọ̀. Àwọn nǹkan tí máa rántí ni àwọn bíi kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, catfish. Mo máa rántí yẹn torí owó nìyẹn. Àwọn bíi ẹja, àwọn bíi bó ṣe wà yìí tó bá jí mi ní pàlà máa mọ̀. Tó bá gbé pàlà odidi kan tó bá gbé sálọ máa mọ̀ pé ó gbé mi ní pàlà máa mọ̀. Ìyẹn di dandan because mo mọ̀ yẹn because owó gọbọi nìyẹn. Mo mọ̀ yẹn máa mọ̀ nínú àwọn yẹn. Ṣé tí àwọn cream kan tó bá jí wọn mi lè mọ̀ because ìyẹn ó ti máa ń pọ̀ jù, ó máa ń pọ̀ jù. Tó bá kó 4 million lórí cream lẹ̀, gbogbo bíbà máa fẹ́ kún, gbogbo ọ̀nà máa kún ni. So àwọn yẹn kí ló fẹ́ ó ti kú íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì lọ bí àwọn táyì tó bá ti di 1330 we going, we close this place. When it's 1320 tell me we close this place down, okay? Mommy tin dá mi lóhùn pé time. How much can I get pure white gold and serum? Is it dozen price? Is it the cream? If you are buying the cream, the dozen cream is £75 for now. It was £35 before, but now we are doing the sales because we have a lot of the cream. If you want pure white gold cream for dozen, that is £75. If you want to buy it, that is 12 for £75. The serum, for the serum, that is £80 for pure white gold serum. £80 for the bottle one, which is really effective. For you buying 3 lotion is £30. 3 no. 3 cream is £30. The lotion is £40 for 3. If you want to buy the lotion, 1 dozen is 140, 2 dozen is 280. So don't hesitate to contact me. For the lotion of pure white gold, 1 dozen is 140, 2 dozen is 280. If you want to buy the whole box of the lotion, I will take £10 off, making 270. Don't hesitate to contact me. So it has long expiring dates on it. We have Milo as well for you that like to have Milo. Short here, we have Milo as well. But more than to Timbo, we still have a lot of pomo because I have time to pick it up. Pomo symbol or no, we have pomo that is coming on the way. Pomo Jebu, I need to be stocking them. I don't want to wait to finish. I need pomo Jebu symbol or not, like only be 2 million pounds, only be 2 million naira. It's coming on the way. The dry one that has been dry already, we don't need to be drying it here. Because that time it was emergency for us to bring it like that, so we don't have time to dry it. We have to bring them like that. But this one have been dry. So all you need to do for me is to contact me. We'll be selling wholesales when that one come. I'm on my new wholesale. We'll be doing the wholesale 50-50. If you want to buy Bomo Jebu, it will be 50. If you want to buy wholesales, that would be so interesting. I just sorry, would know. Wholesales Bomo Jebu is minimum of £100. You want to buy minimum of £100, that is 8 for £10. That is wholesales, minimum of £100. And your cosimbo, I'll pass for today. Coffee is not bad. Do you have anything to give to him? Do you want to give him something? Oh, check Kevin. Kevin is outside there. Kevin is outside. Kevin. Yeah, he's outside there, please. Sheko Yeyinsi. We have a lot of things. We have BB Clear lotion as well. All you need to do is to contact us. We have BB Clear lotion. We have the serum, but I don't have the soap. But we have a lot of BB Clear lotion. And we have a lot of this one, the serum as well. This one. We have a load of them. We have load of this one. And it go. I need a lot of the serum. We have load of the serum. Eleyi. Nkota mani ni no le o ma koja $200. Eleyi serum me. Because some are gone. If not this time, if not this rubbish time. Nínú box kankan, only 100 nínú box kankan. So we have a load of them because it moves fast. It moves a lot. It moves a lot. And it's bottled. All you need to do is to contact me if you need it as soon as possible. So my hesitate or hesitate, they are not here. Unless you want me to, you want their number? Sheko Yeyinsi. So all you need to do is to contact me. We are from Batie. Our tube are not expensive. We have from Batie. We have Epidemic in stock as well. We have a lot of things that you guys. We even have ugu. We have bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. We have ugu. We have bitter leaf. All you need to do is to call me. We have you seen it? Oh yeah, can you share anybody because someone in lost school. Oh yeah, can you share? Ma ṣe lọ́la, a tètè ṣe kó tó tún lọ sí school lọ́la. Shatibi, we have catfish, dry one, 5 kg. All you need to do is to contact me. Bomi witty. Shati, because I have a load of catfish. I will be doing sales on Friday for catfish box. I'm talking about the box. This one is normal. Shati, I'm talking about the box of catfish. It will be 120 instead of 130. I will reduce it to 120 instead of 130. All you need to do is to contact me. That is all you need to do. Maybe on Friday. I will know if you have school on Fridays so that we can stay here for long. Maybe on Friday you can contact me. Because of the school period, I'll be leaving. I'll be coming here by 9 and I will leave at 1:30. Because I need to take my daughter to school. So after Tobati lost school, Tobati day, me only late padà wá because time will be gone that time. Omati will be around 4:30, 3:30 something, a bit of 4. So all you need to do is to contact me if you need anything, so that we can be able to take it. We can send your goods. We can ship it to you guys. So don't hesitate or hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much. I will need to go now so that I can be able to look everywhere. So please, how can I get? Don't worry. All you need to do is to call me on the phone. Call me on the phone and you are good to go. Oh, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. And then you go to me for full lesson. I can't love you guys less. Thank you. Jocelyn, please stop putting something here. Gaddafi nìyẹn, kíni nìyẹn. Tokunbo nìyẹn. Ta ló celebrate wèrè? Wèrè sọ pé celebrate. You don't need to tell us. We need to see it. Don't go and you know anybody can have money. Yes, let me tell you about celebration. When you have money, you'll be celebrate. It is money. Check on you. It is money. When you have money, you'll be celebrate. So when you shock him, show what below money. Always your way me. Oh what me? How are we? Nobody can celebrate her. Check on you. Nobody. Oh what me? Ó ti yé àmọ́ ìmí wà nínú yín tẹ́ tó bá ti fún yín ní £50 mo kan tó ń ṣe bí àwọn kan tẹ́ pé mo mi eli máa fún wọn £50 ó ti yé yín sí wọn mo kan tó ń ṣe mọ́ ìgbà tó sọ fún mi bá mo kọ pé £50 owó ìyàwó ìṣẹ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa wá sórí social media wọ́n portrait bíi pé àwọn olówó àṣé ìṣẹ́ ń bá yín jà. Ìṣẹ́ ń bá yín jà bí ìmúmi. Oh my God. Téèyàn bá tiẹ̀ ti ń gbowó bàbá náà kò dáa kíyàn wà láyé kó lápá ẹ mọ́ gbó ó lápá ó lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ mi àwa máa bọ́ mi jẹun èèwọ̀ òrìṣà owó tó ń tìyàn lójú owó tó ń tìyàn ìjọ ò lè máa kúrò nínú council house ìjọ lè máa kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ta ní pé kò sí council house nínú ìlú yìí pé ó máa gbálé títí ẹ fún ara ẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú yín ló máa ti kú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú yín ká ló celebrate wèrè wọn celebrate ẹ ṣé kò sọ fún ẹni pé owó ló lọ ń fún wọn ó di dandan kó sanwó ni ta ló mọ̀ ìyá ẹ ó máa sanwó ni kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ ìyá ẹ ó máa sanwó ó máa náwó kò lè sọ fún yín tó bá yá ẹ máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde tó bá yá ìyẹn di dandan ibi ìbàlẹ̀ máa wà tẹ́ máa wá bá wa ẹ máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde tá a máa rí fínífíní ṣé kò yẹ yín wọn ò lè celebrate ẹ̀ gbàgbé òṣì gbàgbé pátápátá tó gbà sí. ẹ wo our number is 07957116232. Our number is on this page. And our address is on this page as well. How you can get us, how you can contact us. All you need to do, go to my page. When you go to my page, immediately you will see my number and you will see my address. Do you understand? You see this page? My address is there. How to contact me is there. How you can contact me is there. My personal number is there for all my customers, for everybody. I have 2 numbers there. All you need to do is to call me. So I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Do you have white secret lotion? I don't have white secret lotion. I have perfect white. I don't have cream that people don't want. One person is buying. I don't sell it. I sell people cream that lots of people buy them. I don't have white secret lotion. I don't have it. I don't have it. Kosi me denira. Because we buy in bulk. We buy in bulk. We cannot buy product for one person. Mo máa bá wọn èèyàn rà o. Tí ó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló fẹ́ gbé gbogbo box ẹ̀. Mo máa bẹ́ẹ̀ rà sínú ọjà mi. Máa bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé wá. But tó jẹ́ pé ẹyọ kan ló fẹ́ rà ńbẹ̀. Èmi ò ń tarú ẹ̀. I don't sell it. You understand? Tó jẹ́ pé tí bá gbédé, tó bá jẹ́ pé 10 box ló wà nínú box ẹyọ kan gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa rà. Do you understand? Because we don't buy one. We buy from the company. We don't buy one. So we buy huge of amounts of cream. So all you need to do is to contact us. Bye.